Walk down any garden center's fertilizer or chemical aisle and you can quickly become overwhelmed with all the choices, especially those that sound environmentally friendly. Well, today I'm going to help you cut through some of that greenwashing with my good friend and horticulturalist, Dr. Jeff Gilman. Walk into any garden center and it's so easy to understand how anyone can become overwhelmed with all their choices, especially as it relates to the fertilizer and chemical aisles. So Jeff, you're the expert here. Help us understand some of our choices like the fertilizers, especially as it relates to the greenwashing.
Sure. Now, greenwashing happens across pesticides, across fertilizers, and basically what it is, where a company tries to make their product appear environmentally friendly when it's really
not so much, right?
So let's pick up this bag as an example. If we look at the ingredients, we see things like alfalfa meal, great renewable resource, good choice. But it's also got bat guano, bad choice. Why is it a bad choice? Bat guano is mined from caves in Jamaica, and when it's mined, the ecosystem in those caves is messed up. So bat guano generally not an environmentally smart choice.
Okay.
It's also got rock phosphate. Rock phosphate comes from strip mines in Florida. No, exactly. We're actually going to run out of phosphorus in 50 to 100 years.
Not renewable.
No, we need to be conserving that.
So a better choice would be what?
Well, let's take a look over here. We've got some cottonseed meal. Obviously a renewable resource. It's got plenty of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for your garden. Cottonseed meal, renewable resource, good choice.
Okay, what else?
Well, here we've got some blood meal.
Yep.
Blood meal is another one that I really like. Nice high nitrogen level.
Yes.
And blood meal helps repel them rabbits.
It's always a good thing. So what I hear you saying, we have lots of choices, especially as it relates to the organic options, but you've said sustainability and renewability a lot, and that seems to be what you key in on.
That's the key. If it's organic, then it's got to have those two traits going for it.
Good tip for what to look for when we're shopping, right?